Bugungi kunda ingliz tilini o'rganish nafaqat bir ko'nikma, balki kelajakdagi muvaffaqiyatlarga yo'l ochadi. 11 yoshli Nilufar bunday imkoniyatlardan unumli foydalanib kelmoqda.
Every lesson opens new door for your life. So learn new languages. If you learn languages by heart, you can achieve everything.
Hi to everyone, my name is Nilufar, but I can say that you already know me. And you can call me as Lily. I'm 11 years old and I'm from Namangan. Actually, even from a young age, I started learning English from the channels like a Cocomelon and other YouTube channels. But when it's come, I can say that the starting point of my learning English was in third class when I was, I think, 8 or 9 years old. Then, yeah, ingliz tilida 100gacha yetadigan kitob o'qiganman deya olaman, chunki onajonim dadam maktabda ishlashadi. Shuning uchun ular doim kitob olib kelib berishadi yoki bo'lmasam o'zim tanlayman, keyin olib kelib berishadi. Kitob o'qish juda ham yaxshi ko'raman. Ayta olaman, kitobni 2 marta o'qiyman, chunki ingliz tili kitoblari ko'pida bilmagan so'zlar juda ko'p bo'ladi. Shunga ular birinchi highlight qilaman, keyin bilmagan so'zlarni tarjima qilib bo'lganimdan keyin ular yodlab chiqishim kerak. Undan keyin yana kitob boshqatdan o'qib chiqqan keyin hammasini tushunaman. Shunda qiziqarliroq bo'ladi. I love reading adventure books. The last one was Robinson Crusoe. I can read lots of books, but the last one was Robinson Crusoe. Then after that, I didn't read because I have lots of things to do. My assignments was very lot of there was, so I didn't read any adventure book till that day. But the last one was Robinson Crusoe, a person who get lost in island. And I'm planning to read another book in English, which is adventure one. Then I am choosing one of them. Then I will read God willing. Ingliz tilini boshqa tillarni o'rganish juda ham ko'p foydalari bor. Ulardan birinchisi o'sha financial way'da bo'lsa, ikkinchisi sizga dunyo kelishga yordam beradi. Juda ham ko'p taraflari bor. Hech qachon biror narsani o'rganish sizga birorta zarar keltirmaydi. Shuning uchun nima bo'lsa ham o'rganish kerak. Tarjimonlikni birinchi inglizcha kitoblarni o'qiganimda ko'p odamlar uni o'zbekchaga tarjima qilgan. Keyin menga ham tarjima qilish yoqib qolgan. Chunki ko'pgina o'qigan kitoblarimni, ingliz tilida o'qigan kitoblarim ba'zi sinimga ham o'qib berishim mumkin. Ya'ni hikoya qilib aytib beraman ba'zida. Shuning uchun tarjimonlik meni qiziqtiradi va diplomatlikka kelsa, men sayohat qilishni yaxshi ko'raman. Ingliz tilini o'rganishimning bitta sababi ham shu sayohatga bog'liq. Shuning uchun diplomat bo'lmoqchiman, chunki u ko'p yurtlarga sayohat qiladi. There's always lots of things that I should do every day. The first thing is waking up, then I will get prepared to my school. After school, I will go to the course. Then after course, I will come to this library to do my assignments. After finishing them, I will go to my real home, which is in the city center, or I will go to my grandparents' village, because my school is in the village. As of the things, I also have a course, and I also have self-study. Next, here is my daily routine. Juda ham ko'p narsalar menga ingliz tilini o'rganishga yordam bergan. Birinchisi onajonim bo'lsa, ikkinchisi kurs. Yani educational centerda o'qiganman. Birinchi bo'lib juda ham qiyin bo'lgan. Hamma narsani o'rnida qo'yib bajarishim. Teacherimiz juda ham ko'p homeworklar berardi. Shunga biroz qiyin bo'lgan. Keyin asta-sekin o'zim qiziqib ketganman. Hattoki ustozimiz hozir ba'zi bir o'quvchilardan kitobni so'rasalar, men o'shani bir post tugatardimda, ustoz mendan mana shuni so'rang dedim. Chunki bizda kitoblarni qismlarga bo'lib qo'ygan, oson, o'rtacha, qiyin qilib. O'sha men birinchi osonni tugatib olib, keyin ustozdan qiyin so'rashini iltimos qilardim. Hozir ham shunaqa. Ustozimiz ham juda ham yaxshi, chunki bizga rag'batlantirib beradilar. Ba'zi bir narsalarni Google'dan va ChatGPT'dan, keyin ba'zi bir do'stlarimdan ham so'rab ko'raman. Deyarli o'qiyotgan hamma education centerlarda o'qisam, o'zimdan 3-4 yosh kattalar bilan o'qiyman. Hammasi o'zidan kattalar, lekin o'sha ba'zi bir kattalardan ham yaxshi o'qigan paytlarim ham bo'lgan. Kelajakdagi orzularimga keladigan bo'lsak, maktabni tugatganimdan so'ng top universitetlarga kirmoqchiman. Masalan, Harvardga o'xshaydigan va menimcha bu amalga oshadi. Faqat qattiq harakat qilsam, kelajakda men diplomat bilan tarjimon bo'lmoqchiman. Boshqa kasblar ham juda ham ko'p, lekin buni vaqt ko'rsatadi. Kim bo'lishimni yana. Juda ham ko'p boshqa kasblar bo'lgan. Masalan, kichkinaligimda o'qituvchilikka qiziqqanman. Shuning uchun ba'zi bir paytda volontyorlik bilan do'stlarimga, singlimga dars o'taman ingliz tilidan. Every single step that you trace it will help you for achieving your all of goals. If you do everything by heart, like learning, then it will help you for achieving all of your goals. Then, yep. Men bitta katta orzum bor. Bu onajonimni, dadajonimni baxtli qilish. Men onajonimga katta bo'lgan. Onajonimga ham, dadamga ham zo'r mashina beraman. Onajonimga o'zi xohlagan kapritlet beraman.